Hello friends, you are watching Design Exclusive and I am Muhammad Irfan. Today I am going to show you how you can make arrow and tick shape simply using one line in Adobe Illustrator. So without wasting time, let's start the video. Open Adobe Illustrator in your computer and start new document. Now select line segment tool from the toolbar and draw a straight horizontal line on the artboard. You can press and hold shift key to make lines straight. Now select pen tool from the toolbar or simply press P button from the keyboard and make a new anchor point on the line path by simply clicking on the line. Now select direct selection tool and drag down the newly created anchor. Also adjust the edges anchor of the line in this way. Wow, you got it, a tick mark sign. Now we are going to make arrow shape simply using line segment tool. This time draw two straight line, one horizontal and one vertical line like this. Make sure the vertical line should be centered and also it should touch the bottom anchor of the horizontal line. Now select pen tool from the toolbar and make an extra anchor in the center of vertical line. Now select direct selection tool and arrange the vertical line in this way. You can also adjust these edges by using guideline. To set guidelines, you can press Ctrl plus R from keyboard. Now drag the line from the upper scale to the shape and adjust it like this. We are doing this to make sure both edges of the arrow should be in equal in length. And that's it. You have got an arrow in just 1 minute. Also, you can arrange it as per your requirement. Now I am going to delete guidelines. To delete guidelines, simply select the line and press the delete button from the keyboard. Please be a subscriber of Design Exclusive for more interesting videos and tutorials. Thank you.